In order to customize the Not Disturb mode on iPhone 16e, we need to go to Settings. Here we're gonna scroll down to Focus. Let's go to Focus Settings and then go to the Not Disturb mode. Now over here we have notifications, so we can go to people in order to choose to silence notifications from selected contacts or allow notifications from selected contacts. We can press Add over here in order to choose those contacts. And then we can also find the same thing, but for apps instead. We can also go to options to find even more things, like we can show notifications, silence notifications on the lock screen, and so on. We can also customize screens, so our lock screen and home screen can look a little bit different when the DND mode is activated. We can also create our own schedule when the DND mode should be automatically enabled. We also have smart activation, where we can automatically turn on the Not Disturb mode at relevant times throughout the day, based on signals like your location, app usage, and more. And then we also have focus filters, so we can customize how our apps and device behave when the when the DND mode is enabled. So we have some app filters and system filters as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!